Hi, I am Dr. Kavita. Please do watch, share, subscribe to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about rectal tumors. Rectal tumors are abnormal growths in the tissues of the rectum presenting as rectal cancer, most commonly adenocarcinomas originating from the inner lining cells of the rectum. These tumors typically start as small polypoid lesions located 4 to 20 centimeters above the dentate line on the anterior or lateral rectal wall. Next, classification and staging. Rectal tumors are classified by their extent of invasion and spread using the TNM system. T stage, it determines the tumor depth. T1, tumor invades submucosa. T2, tumor invades the muscularis propria, outer muscle layer. T3, tumor extends into the mesorectal fat, subdivided by depth and involvement of mesorectal fascia. T4a, tumor invades the peritoneum. T4b, tumor invades adjacent organs or structures outside mesorectum. The TNM results correspond to cancer stages 0 to 4. Stage 0, Stage 1, Stage 2, Stage 3, Stage 4. Stage 0, carcinoma in situ. The cancer is confined to the mucosa. Stage 1, the tumor invades submucosa or muscularis propria. Stage 2, extends beyond muscularis propria into outer layers or nearby tissues or organs. Stage 3, there is involvement of regional lymph nodes in stage 3. Stage 4, distant metastasis is usually seen in stage 4, for example to liver or lungs. There may be liver metastasis or metastasis to lungs. Next, diagnosis. Diagnosis involves a combination of physical examination, that is digital rectal examination, endoscopic evaluation, that is rigid proctoscopy and colonoscopy, laboratory tests like carcinoembryonic antigen or CEA marker, and some imaging studies. So what did we discuss? Digital rectal examination is the part of the physical examination. Endoscopic procedures like rigid proctoscopy and colonoscopy, lab tests like carcinoembryonic antigen or CEA marker. Imaging studies, MRI is the preferred imaging for local staging. Endorectal ultrasound may differentiate T1 versus T2 tumors better. CT scans of chest, abdomen and pelvis is often done to check for metastasis. MRI, endorectal ultrasound, CT scans of chest, abdomen and pelvis, MRI rectum. Symptoms. Symptoms often appear late and include blood in stool, which is usually bright red or dark maroon. There may be patients may present with change in bowel habits, like patients may present with diarrhea, constipation or narrow stool. Sometimes patient feels incomplete bowel emptying. Sometimes patients will present with symptoms like abdominal pain, weight loss and fatigue. Again, I repeat the symptoms. Symptoms often appear late and they include blood in stool, which is bright red or dark maroon in color. There may be diarrhea, constipation or narrow stool. There may be a feeling of incomplete bowel emptying. There may be abdominal pain, weight loss and fatigue. Next, treatment. Depending upon the stage, treatment usually includes surgery to remove tumor and affected rectum segments, chemotherapy and radiation, sometimes combined pre or post surgery, means chemotherapy can be given before surgery or after surgery, pre-surgery or post-surgery, and radiation is done likewise. Targeted or immunotherapy for advanced cases is being practiced. So, what is the mode of treatment? Surgery to remove the tumor and affected rectum segments, chemotherapy and radiation or radiotherapy, pre and post surgery, targeted or immunotherapy for advanced cases. In summary, rectal tumors are usually adenocarcinomas arising in the rectal mucosa, classified by depth of invasion and spread. Diagnosis uses endoscopy, colonoscopy, proctoscopy, physical examination, digital rectal examination, imaging like MRI rectum or MRI colon and rectum, and lab markers, CT scan of the chest abdomen to rule out metastasis, lab markers like carcinoma embryonic antigen, with treatment tailored to stage and location. Treatment is dependent upon the stage and the location of the tumor. Surgeon, oncological surgeon or an oncologist decides the treatment basis. Early diagnosis improves prognosis due to complexity of surgery in the pelvic space. Medical students, what do you read about? What are rectal tumors? What are the various types of rectal tumors? What is the T staging of rectal tumors? What is the tumor invasion in T4A? Cancer stages in rectal cancers from stage 0 to stage 4. How do we diagnose rectal cancers? What are the symptoms of rectal cancers? What are the surgical procedures helpful in removing rectal tumors? What is the chemotherapy that is done pre-surgery and post-surgery in rectal tumors? What is the radiation therapy that is done in rectal tumors? What is targeted or immunotherapy for advanced cases in rectal tumors? Read about all these. You can also read about how is MRI used to determine the T stage of rectal tumors, what tissue layers do rectal tumors typically invade at each stage, how do rectal tumor size and location affect rectal tumor treatment options, what are the common symptoms indicating advanced rectal tumors, what are the main stages of rectal tumors and their characteristics. Thank you. Please do watch, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.